How to log in into Paycom employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Paycom employee login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, employee self-service, payroll and HR software. With that, you will be directed to the official website. Now at the top right, you will find the option of login. Click on it. Different options will pop up: client, employee, and account. Click on the option of employee. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access to your employee account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and fill this. Type in the username. Type in the password. Type in the last 4 digits of SSN or PIN. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log in into Paycom employee account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.